Tampere in southern Finland is a hub for pioneering experiments in future mobility. Heading for carbon neutrality by 2030, the city puts a lot of emphasis on automation. In the Havanta district, 2 lines of robot buses already cover a 5-kilometre circuit. As the experiment is still in a phase test, a safety driver must still remain on board, but just for supervising and minor intervention. The service is almost 100% autonomous now. The vehicle stops automatically at each stop and only needs human permission to start again. Otherwise, everything else works autonomously. We also have a control centre where everything's monitored remotely. But Tampere is also developing automated taxis, equipped with AI-based technology. The research is now focusing on a sensor system aimed at enabling interaction with other vehicles and coping with snow, ice and other hazardous driving conditions. At the front we have scanners and here on the roof there are 5 different computers with various resolutions, as well as communication equipment and a power unit to keep the vehicle in line. And we also have interfaces to communicate with the operators. Such pioneering solutions are developed by universities, companies and researchers from 6 different countries, organised in 4 technology clusters, under the European project Stardust. European cities are essentially facing the same climate challenges. A major one is how to reduce CO2 emissions related to mobility. In this field, there's a vast potential for collaboration between cities, and we can learn a lot from each other. This is why many of the most crucial measures within Stardust focus on mobility. One of them is the charging of electric buses via a microgrid, relying on repurposed batteries and powered by an 800 square metre solar panel installation. Buses get charged in less than 5 minutes, consumption peaks from the grid are avoided, and CO2 emissions are significantly cut. This smart charging station aims to avoid charging the electric buses via the electricity grid. To achieve this, we harness energy from a photovoltaic system installed on the roof and use it to charge second-life batteries. It's this battery system that will ultimately power the electric buses. Further solutions developed within the Stardust project include smart systems to adjust the driving speed and avoid carbon emissions at red traffic lights, dedicated charging stations for e-taxis and kilometres of new cycling paths.